Two way how to recover deleted photo from your iPhone. First method is you have to go your photo option, then press on album, scroll down and recent deleted. Verify that, and this is the photo which I deleted recently. Suppose you want to recover it, just press on and recover. Press on recover photo. Now it's recovered. Okay. Second method is you have to log in your iCloud account. Type on iCloud login. This is the iCloud website and you have to sign in. Press on sign in and verify with it your email and password. It's verifying. So this is my iCloud account, but before that you have to make sure go to your, then press on iCloud, press on photo, sign this photo. So it's already enabled. Now scroll down and press on photo, and here you found all of your images, videos and others which you already deleted. Suppose you want to restore this one, press on it and add to album. Then it's already automatically added on your album. This is how you can easily recover your image from your iPhone. Thank you.